Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura Alberts and I are going to take a layout that has been scrapped and we're going to scrap lift it. And this is the one, it's from Keely Brandon, if I say it correctly. I am horrible with names, so if I said it wrong, I am so sorry. So what we did this time is something a little bit different. We went into Laura's group and went through the photos of her members, and if they posted it in there and we could see that they posted it elsewhere, we used it as our scrap lift. And we thought it would just be fun to tribute to some of the members of her group that post all the time and all of the inspiration. So thank you for posting in Laura's group because it gives us inspiration as well as everybody else in her group. So what I am doing here is that I pulled out what I call one of my oldest collections that I have, which is the I Am collection. As you can tell when you're seeing, all I have is the first version of it, or I think it's the first version of it, and then the second version of it, and then all I've really got is the stickers and paper. And the chipboard. I don't know what happened. I thought I had the embellishments, but apparently I didn't. I don't. Or I thought I didn't have the paper anymore and I could have purged my layouts or my paper, and that could have been a mess too. Who the heck knows? So I followed this paper. So what Keely did or Kaylee, I'm not sure how to say it, so I'm sorry, but the person that we are scrap lifting, she had some border strips that ran along the top and the bottom, and then she used them as shelves, and that is what I'm going to do here. So I was talking to some of my crafty friends last week Saturday, and I was going through my stuff, and I know y'all are going to say something of, how can you be caught up? Well, like I said, I do scrappiness at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. That could be a video in 30 minutes. That could be me going through my photos and seeing what I want to scrapbook and what I don't want to scrapbook. And I'm out. I'm out of the semi-current stuff. So I was like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? And my friend Bree was like, well, why don't you go? You haven't done some of your layouts from Germany because I know you're not done with those. And I was like, oh, I have the ones when I went to Lake Constance. And we went to a couple of different things. There's Monkey Mountain in that area. There was 3 things that we did. We went to Monkey Mountain. We went to the Island of the Flowers, which is what I'm scrapbooking here. And I'm going to scrapbook this trip. And then we did the Sea World, and actually in Lake Constance, the area, a couple of the towns that are around it. So that is what I will be scrapbooking the next couple of times. Now, I got to finish up Kaylin's last year's pictures. Now, remember, the reason why I'm really caught up is, one, Josh was gone for a full year. Obviously, we know that we're in the pandemic, and we tried to stay, safe, whatever. Not that we didn't go out and do things, because we did. We went to Fran's house and we, did some stuff. But because Josh wasn't here, we didn't want to just not be able to do some things with Josh. So we, kind of stayed local more than anything. And then that in turn didn't give me as many photos as I normally would do if he was home. So with all of that being said, I don't have that many photos left of Kaylin's year last year. And this year, she's getting to the point where she's getting older, and the teachers just don't send photos like they used to, throughout the school year. So the first semester of her year, I really don't have that much photos because I was trying to stay, safe, and then Kaylin and I ended up getting the stuff, and that just kind of threw, you know, a little bit of a wonky wonk into things. But ultimately, we're back to doing some traveling stuff. If you have not followed me on social media, come on over there. I do post a lot. We are getting ready to start to move into our house. Everything's looking to close in March. So we will have March move-in photos, close-in photos, all of that stuff. I've got some updated photos. There has been an alternative events in our house, but it's all working out actually in the end for multitudes of families, not just mine, just because of the small little community that we will be living in. There are some things that are coming and brewing, so by all means follow me over there. And also, if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, all this fun stuff. I am part of design teams, and I am super duper close to 3,000 subscribers. I am under 30. I just need 30 of y'all to hit that subscribe button, and then I can give away my giveaway. And I'm so excited for my giveaway because it is what I feel is huge. And it will be open to not only my United States subscribers, but also my international, because that's just how I roll. So here I am. I am doing everything. I absolutely love how this turns out. I love that I didn't center it as well as how she did it. I am coming in with my paint stick, and I do some regular paint sticks, and then I water down and get a lighter of a black to throw on there, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you go check out everybody. We will link everything down below. Go check out Laura, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.